We start with breaking news in Johnson County. 400,000 people urged to boil their water.
There's a huge water main break at 78th and Quivira in Lenexa, and that's caused a big drop in water pressure. We've heard from viewers that some people are without water. All residential and commercial customers are advised to boil their water for at least 2 minutes before drinking. That boil advisory is in effect until at least 5 o'clock tomorrow evening. It includes nearly every city in Johnson County.
Eric Gardner with WaterOne joins us on the phone with the very latest. So, Eric, what caused this?
We don't know what caused the main break. We noticed a significant drop in pressure in the system a little after 7 this morning, and then isolated the break to the location there and Drive.
Okay, can you tell us the areas affected?
The best way that we serve 16 cities in Johnson County, and the best way to see our service area is to go to our website. We have a service area map, and you can click on that link. But we serve most of the cities in Johnson County, with the exception of DeSoto, and we do not serve all of the city of Olathe.
So we have more than 400,000 people who you're asking to boil their water. Can you tell us about the precaution here, why it's so important to boil your water at this time for those folks in Johnson County?
Good question. When there's a drop in pressure like that, there's a potential for water to be sucked back into internal plumbing, and that's something that we don't control. We can obviously control the water system, but we don't control the plumbing inside homes, irrigation systems. And so the potential for a contaminant to be drawn back into the internal plumbing is what we're concerned about. So the boil advisory allows us to make sure that the water is safe. And then it takes about 18 hours for us to do tests. We're out in the system now collecting those samples. We'll have those test results back tomorrow.
Okay, one quick question that I have is about, hospitals and big facilities and corporations and that kind of thing. What are they supposed to be doing right now? The same thing?
We'll be working with those hospitals and those key public health facilities. We have an action plan for that. And then as far as other commercial facilities, they can contact our customer service reps, and we can help them work through that.
So right now, consumers just have to wait it out, and wow, we're talking about 5 o'clock tomorrow night.
Unfortunately, the testing does take 18 hours, and by the time we collect the samples in the entire system, it'll be sometime tomorrow morning when we get those tests back. And we want to make sure that the water's safe and before we lift the boil advisory. So 5 o'clock is being exceptionally cautious, but we wanted to do that to make sure it's safe.
Hey, Eric, where did this water main break happen? What's the intersection?
It's generally about, let's see, 78th and Quivira Drive. So it is in the very northern part of, actually in Wyandotte County, the northern part of where the Wyandotte County and Johnson County line are.
Okay. All right, Eric, thank you so much. And keep us posted. If for whatever reason you guys happen to lift this boil water alert, give us an update, and so we can make sure to tell our viewers. We appreciate it, Eric. Thanks again.
Will do. Please check our website, and we also have a hotline number that people can check and also get updates on the boil advisory.
What's the hotline number?
It's 913-599-9911.
Okay.
We'll be giving that number a little bit later in our newscast. Thank you so much for that information. We have a live crew on the way to the scene, and we'll bring you live updates throughout this newscast.